Setting number 1. Feature eligibility. In YouTube Studio, go to Settings, then Channel, then Feature Eligibility. Standard features are enabled automatically when you create a channel, as long as you have no active community guideline strikes. Intermediate features are crucial. Enabling these lets you upload videos longer than 15 minutes, live stream, and use custom thumbnails. To enable, verify your phone number. Enter your country and phone number, receive a verification code, and enter it to complete the process. Advanced features are needed for monetization, clickable links in descriptions, and more live streams. To enable, you must have intermediate features active and choose one of 3 verification methods. Video verification, which is a 30-second video following prompts and is the fastest. Valid ID, where you upload a government ID like a passport or driver's license, or build channel history by being active and uploading videos for about 2 months, which is slower. Setting number 2, country of residence. In Settings, Channel, Basic Info, select your country of residence. This determines your eligibility for the YouTube Partner Program. It does not affect where your videos are shown or where your views come from. Do not set it to the United States, just to target a United States audience. Setting number 3, channel keywords. Also in Settings, Channel, Basic Info. Channel keywords help YouTube understand your channel's topic. Add your full channel name, individual words from your name, your channel's niche, topics you cover, and names of 2 or 3 popular creators in your niche. Setting number 4, audience setting. In Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings, declare if your channel is made for kids or not made for kids. Choose Made for Kids only if your main audience is children under 13, like a nursery rhymes channel. For most channels, choose Not Made for Kids, even if children might watch. If unsure, check the official YouTube support article. Setting number 5, upload defaults. In Settings, upload defaults. Pre-fill your video descriptions with a channel introduction, social media links, and hashtags. Pre-fill tags with your channel name in different forms. In Advanced Settings, turn off automatic chapters and key moments. YouTube's automatic chapters are often unreliable. Add chapters manually for accuracy. Setting number 6, contact info for business inquiries. In YouTube Studio, customization, basic info, add a business email. Do not use the same email as your YouTube channel. Use a separate email to protect your main channel from security risks. Setting number 7, channel page layout. In customization, layout, set up a channel trailer for new visitors and a featured video for returning subscribers. Use the For You section to recommend videos based on viewers' interests. Add sections like popular uploads, playlists, or featured channels to organize your homepage. Setting number 8, video watermark. In customization, branding, add a small clickable icon to the bottom right corner of your videos. When viewers hover over it on desktop, a subscribe button appears, bringing in more subscribers. Use your channel logo or a subscribe icon and choose when it appears. Setting number 9, 2-step verification. This is critical for your Google account security. YouTube will warn you if it's not enabled. It protects your account by requiring a second verification step after your password. To enable, click Get Started, select a device for notifications, add a backup option, and turn it on. This is essential for keeping your channel safe. Credits, script and narration by Decoding YT.